Story 1. Grades are not everything.
Mom, Dad, I got a perfect score today.
Really, Luka? That is wonderful.
Let me see your paper.
Here it is. I got 10 out of 10.
Wow, 10 out of 10? I am very proud of you.
You studied very hard, Luka.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
This is for you. You did a great job.
Is this for me?
It is a new iPad. You can use it for learning, drawing, and playing games after homework.
Thank you, Dad. I love it.
Lucy, how was your test today?
I did not get a good score.
What score did you get?
I got 4 out of 10.
Oh, Lucy, you need to study more.
You cannot get a gift today. Gifts are for good work.
I know, Dad. Maybe next time, Lucy. Yes, maybe next time. Luka, can I try it for a little while? No, Lucy. This is my iPad. Dad bought it for me. I will be careful. I only want to draw one picture.
No, you may drop it.
I will not drop it. I promise. Dad gave it to me because I got 10. You did not get a good score.
I know I did not get a good score, but I am trying.
Then try harder.
Okay. I will try harder.
Luka, maybe you can let Lucy use it for 5 minutes.
But Mom, it is new.
It is your iPad, Luka. But remember, sharing is also important.
I know, Dad. But not today. I want to be good too. I want Mom and Dad to be proud of me too.
It's late. You can finish this tomorrow, sweetie. You've worked hard. It is time to sleep.
Can I study a little more, Mom?
You already studied for a long time. You need rest too.
But I want a good score.
Try your best. That is important.
If I try my best, will Dad buy me a gift too?
We will see, Lucy. First, just try to learn.
Okay, Mom.
Lucy, how was your test?
I got 5 out of 10.
5 is better than 4, but it is still not high.
You need to keep studying.
I did study. I studied every night.
Then you need to study in a better way.
I don't know how. Dad, I got another 10 today.
Excellent, Luka. You are doing so well.
We are proud of you.
Maybe Mom and Dad only care about Luka. Maybe they do not care about me. I try, but I still cannot do it. I just want someone to help me. Luka, look at that boy.
What boy?
The boy near the bus stop. He looks hungry. I want to give him some food.
Maybe, but this is our lunch. You will be hungry.
I still have fruit. I can give him my bread and chicken. I don't want to give my food. I am not asking you. I will give mine. Hello, are you hungry? A little, but I am okay. You can have my lunch.
No, it is your food.
It is okay. I have an apple too. Please take it. Thank you. You are very kind. Lucy is not good at tests, but she is very kind. Lucy, why did you give your lunch to that boy? Because he looked hungry, but you were hungry too. Yes, but I can eat at home. Maybe he cannot. Then let's share my food together. This is so much fun! Lucy! The dog! Luka, stay behind me. The dog! Please don't bark. We are going home.
Lucky! Come here. Don't scare the children. I am sorry, children. He is loud, but he is not bad.
It is okay. Thank you, sir.
Lucy, you protected me. You are my brother. Of course I protected you. But I did not even let you use my iPad.
I was sad, but I still love you.
I am sorry, Lucy. I was selfish. It is okay, Luka.
No, it is not okay. From today, I will share with you. And I will help you study.
Really? Of course. We can study together. Thank you, Luka.
Look at them. Luka is helping Lucy.
Yes. I think we made a mistake.
We praised Luka a lot, but we did not see how hard Lucy tried.
And she is such a kind child.
Dad? Luka! I have something to show you.
What is it, Lucy?
I got 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? That is wonderful.
Lucy, you did it! I did it because Luka helped me.
You also worked very hard.
Lucy, we are very proud of you.
And we need to say sorry.
Sorry? Why, Dad?
We gave Luka a lot of attention because he got high scores. But we did not see your effort.
You tried hard. You studied at night. You did not give up. And you are very kind.
We are sorry if we made you feel less important. You are very important to us.
It is okay, Dad. I am not sad about that anymore.
We love you and Luka the same.
I know, Mom. I love our family.
This is for you, Lucy. You worked hard and you did not give up.
Really? Is this for me?
Yes, it is.
A drawing set. I love it so much. You deserve it, Lucy. Thank you, everyone. I love you all.
Thanks for watching our story. Please support our channel and
English Time with Lucy and Luka. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.